SINOTRUK Howo's 8 cubic meter kitchen waste truck brings together advanced technology to achieve excellent performance. Equipped with Weichai 102 kW engine and 6-speed fan to ensure sufficient power and smoothness, the 1.9 meters wide cab is equipped with electric doors and windows, color screen instruments, and heating and cooling air conditioning, providing comfort and convenience for the driver. The square tank body is made of Q710 high-strength steel with a volume of 8 cubic meters and a lightweight design. The mechanically linked pull rod elevator can easily mount 120 air and 240 air trash cans to achieve smooth loading. Adopt domestic, well-known brand hydraulic system to ensure stable and reliable operation. The rear cover is hydraulically opened and locked with ceiling strap design and adjustable hydraulic locking to ensure safe operation of the truck. SINOTRUK Howo's 8 cubic meter kitchen waste truck is not only technologically advanced but also has complete function. It's a reliable partner for urban sanitation.